Assalamu alaikum ya Ahmed. In this video I will explain you how I solved your assignment. First, in Windows 22 server you need to install active domain by select manage, add rules and features, and press next, 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 and select active and directory domain service. Then next, next until installing it. After that, in local server you need to change domain to your name, your last name, such as click on this and change computer name. As you can see, Ahmed DC, and the domain ahmed.local. And for Windows Defender firewall you need to set off, such as click off to disabled for domain network, private network, or public network. After that you need to assign static IP by click on IP and Ethernet properties, Internet Protocol version 4, and use the following IP. It was by default such obtain in IP automatically, but you need to use the following IP and write the static IP. But note that you need to make IP as the same as in TrueNas. Look, this is the IP of TrueNas. Uh, 192.168.178.130. You need to make the IP in the same network, but difference in the last. Look here, the difference in the last here, as I see here. One 192.168.178.100. As you can see, the difference in the last. You need to be the same for the first part, for the three parts, but the last is difference. The difference in the last, and the same for Windows 11. You need also to be the same in the network. You can change the IP by network, advanced, more hardware, status, and change IP. Also the same but different in the last, and write the server here. Write the server IP as a DNS server here to be all machines in the same network. This is important. Without that will not connected. Now we can test if machines in the network or not. Just type cmd ping 168.178.100. Oh, it's connected. The same in TrueNas, ping 100. I write bring, not ping. Bring 1 It is working. Press C to break. Control C. To set up TrueNas with server and network, select network and global confirmation. Write host name as your last name and NAS, and domain that in Windows Server, as you can see, ahmad.local here, and write server IP as you can see here. This IP of the server you write here and press save. Next, in storage, you need to create Cisco config and B role by click add and create and write Cisco. Dataset. Press here, add dataset and write Cisco and change the share type to MSP and click submit, and do the same for B role. Click here, add dataset, B role, change share type to SMB and OK. After that, in the directory services, you need to connect server with TrueNas. So you will write domain name and password and username, such as, and write make sure you write the machine here, because you will display in network in Windows 11 and Windows Server as a network. Such I will see you what I mean. Ahmad Nas, that's the name Ahmad Nas for this network from here. After adding your server and the password and username that you created in Windows Server by clicking on Windows Directory Site and Service. Take some time. You need to add group and user. Group contains a network administrator. You can create this organization unit by click on Active Directory or Ahmad Local and press New, then Organizational Unit OU will create files such like that. Then the same, click here and press New Organizational Unit, and the same for user. Then create two user, network administrator and HR by click in New User and name it network administrator and HR, and the same Donald Duck, Bugs Bunny. Click New and User and name it Donald Duck and Bugs Bunny, and not forget to click Properties, and in account you need to add administrator and the domain user features, such as click Add and Advanced find and select from here administrator and user features. That is important. After that, going to TrueNas. In sharing, Windows share, click file system ACL and connect with the name of admin you are created. Click apply group, click here and select one of user administration that you created in Windows server, and select for permission and reverse and who owner modify and press save. The same for config. The same for B rule. Select apply group, then press on menu to select Ahmed HR, and from here access control lists, select for control, modify and press save. After that you can see Ahmed, the network, and B rule. As you can see, I have made a B rule access, but cconfig I don't give it access. Hereby you can create a file, write anything. Okay. It's right. Okay. Thank you.